Hello my dear student, welcome back on my YouTube channel. Today I am going to discuss about the topic nouns and also tell the book exercise of the chapter. So first, everyone know about that the noun is the name of a person, place, animal, or thing, and it is the divide into five parts: proper noun, common noun, collective noun, and abstract noun. Okay, and I have already taught it in your class. So next we discuss and try to solve the book exercise of this chapter. So listen carefully. Exercise number A. First, you have to see here. Uh, there are given two paragraph, and this paragraph has a different kind of the noun. So you read carefully, learn by line by line, and after that you identify of the noun, and after that you have to classify the noun. Okay, and it is the do this exercise do yourself. Clear? Now you can see here there are five column. First you identify like a land downs is the proper noun, so you have to write in below of the proper noun. Clear? And here is the hotel. Hotel word is a common noun, so you have to write down here hotel in the column of common. Okay, so this is the homework for you. Read and write to in the column. Okay, now next exercise is B. Okay, so B exercise that tell us now form abstract noun from these words. You have to see in here is the 12 words, and we can change this word into the abstract noun. So it is very important for you. First word is the captain. Okay, first word is a captain, and when we change it into the abstract noun, the captain will be captaincy. Okay, captaincy, spelling CAPTAINCY, captaincy. Clear? Second is deep. Deep word, you change the deep word into the abstract noun. The deep will be depth in a abstract noun, and spelling is DEPTH. Okay, now third is idiot. Third is idiot, and what will be abstract of the idiot? It will be idiotic. Idiotic. Okay, spelling is IDIOTIC. Okay, idiotic. It is the abstract word of the noun idiot. Clear? Now fourth is bore. Bore is the word that we make the abstract noun, and its abstract word will be boredom. Okay, and spelling is BOREDOM, boredom. Okay, now fifth option is high, and when we change the high word into the abstract noun, then it will be highness, and spelling of highness HIGHNESS. It is the abstract noun. Okay, and here is the option number C, and word is false, and when we change the false into the abstract noun, the word will be falseness. Okay, falseness. It is the abstract noun. Clear? Now option number 7, here is the word merry, and when we change the merry word into the abstract noun, the word will be merriness, and spelling is MERRIINESS, merriness. Clear? Now next is, it means option number 8, deceive. Okay, the word deceive change into the abstract noun, it will be deception. Okay, deception. Spelling is Deception. Okay, Deception. It is the deception. Clear? Now ninth option, dismiss. Ninth option is dismiss, and its abstract noun will be dismissal. Okay, DISMISSAL, dismissal. Okay, and 10 option is cheap, and its abstract will be cheapness. Okay, spelling is CHEAPNESS. Clear? And 11th option is decide, and what will be the abstract noun of the decide? It will be decision, and spelling of decision DECISION. Clear? 12th word is a break, and its abstract noun will be break, will be broken. Okay, and spelling of broken BROKEN. Clear? Next exercise number C. Okay, and here is the question, what do these collective nouns describe? It means here is the give collective nouns, and in which word we can use the collective word. So first you read the word and also add the word which is known for these collective word. Okay, so first word is pack. So we have to say that, we can say that pack of wolves. Okay, pack of wolves. Spelling of wolves WOLVES. Clear? Second is soul. Then soul of fish. Soul word is a collective word, and which word we can add? The word we can add is fish. Okay, so it will be soul of fish. Spelling of fish FISH. Clear? Now third is sieve. The third is sieve. What will the collective word of this word? Sieve is the collective word, and what is the word add with the collective word? Then it will be grain. Okay, sieve of grain. And spelling of grain GRAIN. Clear? And next is baby. Next is baby, and it is the collective word. Collective word means name of group, and here the baby is the collective word, and what the word will add with the collective word? The word is grass, and it will be baby grass. Okay, baby of grass. Okay, spelling of grass GRASS. Now fifth option is gang. So everyone know that gang is the word that used for the robber. So you have to write down gang of gangster. Okay, gang of gangster. Spelling of gangster GANGSTERS. Okay, it is the spelling of gangster, and it will be a collective noun when we say that gang of gangster. Next is mob. Next word is a mob, and it is the group name of word. So what the word will be add with the mob? It is the rioters. Okay, rioters. It means mob of rioters, and spelling of rioters RIOTERS. Okay. Next is, it means option number 7, stack. Okay, stock. And what is the mean of stock? It is the collective word of the stock, that some things we make a group. So we can say that stock of papers. Okay, stock of papers. Spelling of papers PAPERS. Clear? Now next is suit. Okay, next is suit. So we can say that here the suit of furniture. Suit of furniture, and spelling of furniture FIRNITURE. N-I-T-U-R-E, furniture. Okay. 9 is tough. 9 is tuft. The word tuft is a collective noun and we add the word roots. Then it will be tuft of roots, and spelling of roots R-O-O-T-S. Okay. 10 is congregations. Congregations, and what the word will add with it, then it will be Churgones, and spelling of Churgones Churchgoes. Okay. Next is den. The den is the group word and the word will add with the den, it is the snack. Then we can say that den of snacks. Okay, spelling of snack S-N-A-K-E-S. Clear? Now 12 option colony. So everyone know that colony word is the collective word and we can add the word ants, and it will be colony of ants, and spelling of ants A-N-T-S. Clear? Now next is exercise number D. Fill in the blanks with the suitable collective nouns. Choose from those given in the brackets. Okay. So first option is an dash of poem by Rilke is on display. So you can see here is the two or more words in the brackets, that is the colored by green, and you have to select one word and fill in the blanks. So in the first blanks you have to tick anthology. Okay, you have to tick anthology, and it will be an anthology of poems by Rilke is on display. Okay. Now option number second, a dash of policemen entered the premises. Then here is the given three option. The word posse. Posse word is the used in the blanks. Then a posse of policemen entered the premises. Okay. Now third option is the dash sang beautifully during the Sunday mass at the church. So you have to see there are three options, and only one option is correct. So you have to fill the choir sang beautifully during the Sunday mass at the church. Clear? Now next is option number 4. The dash were unwilling to leave port as the ship needed repairs. So you can see here are the given three options. So second option is correct. The crew were unwilling to leave port as the ship needed repairs. Now come on option number 5. The dash of trees at that corner will have to be cut down. So what is the correct option? So the audience waited expectantly for the performer to arrive. Okay. Now next is it means 6. The dash of trees at the corner will have to be cut down. Then here correct option will be clump. Okay. Clear? The clump of trees at that corner will have to be cut down. Now option number 7. The jungle safari gave us an opportunity to spot and dash of tigers. So which collective word will add with the tiger? The prize. Okay, prize of tiger. Clear? And the sentence will be the jungle safari gave us an opportunity to spot and prize of tigers. Now option number 8. A dash a dash of musician arrived for the show. So which word will be filled in the blanks? So you have to see in the bracket there are given three options. The band word is the correct option. Then you have to fill a band of musician arrived for the show. Now option number 9, a dash of the robbers attacked them on the highway. So you have to see in here the given three options. So you have to fill the gang word. A gang of robbers attacked them on the highway. Clear? Now next is last. Place the dash of eggs in this basket. So which option will be correct? So you have to fill cluster. Okay, cluster word is a correct, and you have to fill place the cluster of eggs in the basket. Okay, so I hope you all understand of the chapter exercise, and chapter name is noun, and this is the for class 7. Okay, so thank you for the watching video.